was close. Not another one. Hard a port! Hit it hard, man! Hey, we nearly got... We're hit! Execute the target! Target's coming in. He's firing again! Launch the second batch! Surround them. They're surrendered. Hold your fire. Now carefully moor yourself to the side of them. Yep, that's it. Easy do it. Nice job, well done. Oh, that's pretty interesting. I wonder when they're going to come out. Oh, that should be any second now. Nothing still. They're not coming out. Oh, stuff this. Just fire. Okay, we're coming. We surrender. Come on, hurry up. We're coming. Shut up. Yep, you come up too. Okay. Let's move back and blow her up. Ready? Yep, we did it. Destroyed. Oh, let's move on now. That was pretty interesting. Oh, well, let's wait again. Yeah, this was some fun for a change. Come on, guys, we're going. Just checking if everything's clear. Everything seems clear. Wait, what's that? What is that? Oh no, it's a German aircraft! Torpedo, hard aboard! It's too late! Put the fires out, we're having heavy flooding. Phew! Two more torpedoes, we're doomed! Yeah, that's what torpedoes can do.